Career Coaching Day was held on the 15th of February in AUC Tahrir campus. Each year, the Continuing School of Education hosts Career Coaching Day to guide individuals of diverse ages in their professional journeys and facilitate the development of authentic networks. Attendees gained valuable insights at the event's various talks, which covered topics like choosing a course of study, navigating the job market, mastering online learning, and understanding the role of coaching.
We received many questions about who is eligible to attend the career coaching. Many thought that career coaching is just for those who are either undergrads or university graduates. However, career coaching is for anyone, whether you are at the early stage of your career path or mid stage, or even if you are executive. There is a service for coaching that you need in order to keep and to continue the success in your career and your achievements.
AUC Career Coaching empowers anyone to become a future leader. It provides a platform for students to gain valuable insights from industry professionals and explore diverse career options.
So basically in the Career Coaching Day, we are trying to raise the self-awareness of the client or the participants here. So we are letting them do some of the assessments used in the career coaching, like career values, where they will understand more what are the important values for them. Second, we are helping them to understand what are their career interests, so what they will be interested in doing in the future. So by this, you can raise the level of self-awareness at participant side.
Attendees at the Career Coaching Day gained valuable knowledge and established key connections, paving the way for a brighter future. This was Nour Wael reporting for AUCTV, Cairo.